Today we're going to Homosassa Wildlife Park, around 37 miles away from home, about 1 hour drive. Let's go.
Stop sign, turn left onto East Kentucky Avenue. In a quarter mile, turn left onto South Main Street. In 1,000 feet, turn right onto Florida 44 West.
Dadaanan yata natin ang Inverness. Kung ako'y hindi nagkakamali.
At the stop sign, turn right onto Florida 44 West. Continue on Florida 44 West for 19 miles.
Oh, yung sa loob. isang employee dyan sa may kabilang lang sa shop dyan ay daw nakatira sa yun yata kung Musasa yata siya nakatira. Miles one way.
Yan, trabaho ko sa Palisades 40.
Ikaw na
Saan ba yun? Gardens o sa Murieta?
tayo nakatira.
Murieta yan. Parang ano to, 7. Ano yun? Mission Road.
Yun papuntang 15. Ha?
Hindi, yung sa loob na Oceanside. Mission Avenue ba yun?
Hmm. Vlogger ah. Vlogger tayo. Sabi nga ni Reke, out of 10 coconuts I'll give 7 coconut. Bakit kaya?
Hindi naman tayo magbo-boat, di ba?
Hindi. Admission lang.
Kailangan, anong content? Dito ko lang
Ah.
mag-review.
Admission lang ang natin. Kailangan. Hello.
Have you been to the park recently?
First time. Yeah.
Couple of things to note, 'cause tickets are non-refundable. Our underwater observatory is under construction, so that's not available. We've got a closure in the boardwalk while they're working, so you can't go all the way around. You're going to turn around and see everything twice to come back out to me, okay?
Okay.
1820 for the two of you.
So for now, this is only the place where we can buy some souvenirs or something.
Yes,
okay.
for now. So, where are we going now?
You have a map that, like a guide, so we just we can get one of these.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Go right through that gate.
All right.
Right here. Go that way.
Have fun.
Thank you. Have a good one. Thank you.
Oh, dami siyang flavor. Garden of the Spring. Kaya pala umalis yung mga tao. Kasi marami
Walang
sila.
ganong. Oh, walang ganong. Which is it's up to individuals na mag-prefer sige lang or
A big fish.
Oh, manood.
Dito lang ito.
Ha?
Dito lang dito. Wala kayang ano dito.
Hold on, Malta. Look at the fish. The big.
Ano kaya isda yun?
Ano?
Dalag. Ang lalaki ng fish. Ano ba yan? Trout?
Apa? Tara.
Malaki ang muso.
Hmm.
Ano ba dito?
Ay, lang ko. Siguro somewhere din sa unahan. Dahil mayroong mga animals eh.
Ano makasagot yung tayo mag-cross?
Jadi sakay tayo. Para libre.
Kasi si Lou. Wala pa ako nakikita.
Ano kayang hayop mayroon dito?
Wala nga makita kahit
Eh, yung ibon.
Oo, yung ibon. Kawawa naman sila, no? Ano na ng hurricane.
Nag-overflow yung tubig na doon.
Oo, yung mga parang matatanda na.
Hindi ba yan? Buhay ba yan o bato?
Buhay, ayun mo, kumikislap yung mata.
Ay, oo.
Si Donatello. Sino ba mga pangalan niya?
Diyan di ba mayroong ano, kung anong mga hayop dito?
Hindi lang naman sundan. Oh, yan. Ano yan? Fox ba yan? Ito yan.
Red.
Oh, may pangalan naman dito.
Red fox.
Ano ang pangalan naman?
Nasaan na yan?
Ayun.
Ayun. Ha?
Wala, mga tinatamad. Wala. Bingi. Oh, asaan si Owl? Horn owl daw. Ayun! Ayun siya! May dalawa!
Oo. Oo. Ayun.
Hi!
May dalawa sila ko ito.
Hi! Why are you so mad? You look so mad. Are you angry? Hungry?
Now we're just chilling. We don't know you. We're not in the mood to talk to you.
We're hungry. Sabi niya. You guys, where are you?
Huwag kang mangamal ka.
Ayaw
Ano
naman.
mo?
Hindi ko makita. Hindi ko makita. Ang liit.
Inom ka.
Ayaw ko.
Hmm?
Ang konti. Ayun, maganda. Ay, wala na pala yan. Sarado na. Ano nga yan?
Kinuna. Kinuna mo na picture tong ano dito.
Hindi nga marunong.
Tara.
Pinicturean mo. Picturean mo na lang bawat isa. Ay, yung cellphone ko pala, hindi ko pinagamit. Ang lulungkot mo naman. Ay, ito. Owl. Oh, iba pang klaseng owl. Meron palang kulay puting owl.
Tsura mo yun. Mga iwan.
Ayun, pinicturean ko yung isa, yung orange. Tama, nakataas yung pa.
Hmm. Pag inaano ko.
Lovebirds daw sila.
Ha?
Dami.
Yung ano.
Nakatabunan naman ng dahon. pagkaano nila, no? Ganyan lang, pero hindi naman sila lumalabas. Sila lumilipad.
Hmm.
Tsaka bilid.
Nag-stay yan. Ito po isa.
Nakastay lang, ha? Ayun, ito. Lizard ba yan?
Ikaw naman, Marco.
Ang ganda malaki.
Baby pa yan eh.
Asan na kaya ito? Nag-iisa. Buang member.
Hmm? Yung nandun, Marco.
Ito pala ang maliwan. Ang hirap picturean doon. Ito lang pala maliwanag. Picturean natin.
Picture mo.
Ito ko nilang isa.
Hmm.
Ganda. Ay, ito na isa.
Ayan o.
Hindi ko nakakita.
So doon.
Ito nakita kasi doon. Ayun pa pala sa taas. Ay, laki mata mo.
Sabi na I'm here.
Laki mata mo.
Nanto ko. Nandito yung ano, beer. Yun o.
Ayun nga.
Layo naman eh.
Black hole. Oh, ganda din.
Hindi ano. Doon, ang layo. Kung dito lang siya na siya,
Ay, layo.
eh,
Come on. Layo mo.
yung ano nila, ipot.
Ano yung big niya ang lapad?
Oh, grabe, parang kutsara.
Ito yung lapad niya. Ang laki ng kamay niya.
Siguro yung isda yung pagkain nila, no, dahil nandyan kaya na marami. Yan yung pagkain nila. Tsaka yung tubig pala ay ano, hindi stagnant, nagpo-flow yan. Tingnan mo dyan sa pipe na yan, pumapasok yung para makip yung level.
Ito ang laki ng ano, ng nguso.
Ha?
Ang laki ng nguso niya.
Hindi sila makalabas-labas dahil may screen malo. Kaya dyan lang sila sa loob. Kulong sila. Which is okay na rin sila kaya malamig naman. Kaya pala napakalapit na picture.
Bilip ko na lang yung isa. Ay, ito talaga maganda. Oh. Uulan ba? Ito, uulan na.
Ano?
vultures. Mga vultures.
Saan?
Sila.
No. Iba. Iba yan, mahal ko.
O ano?
Yan, ano yan? Ang vulture ay ganon. Alam mo, okay rin lang ngayon dahil tahimik.
Oo.
Hindi daming tao. So,
Walking ka tapos kulimlim.
oo, okay lang.
Kami yung puno. O, itabi na.
Oh, may tiger dito. Oh, lion.
Ay, nature rights. Oh. Wala naman.
Yun. Ayun. Mahal ko. Parang ano lang. Ay, ito, mahal ko.
Ayun. Laki.
Eh? Oh. Bago baby yung nando. Kumakain. Yung damo, ano yung hapli yung tiyan. Di ba ganun yung pusa?
Ah, bakit? Ayun. May sugat.
Maano sila.
Init.
Init na.
Meow. Wala na.
Hmm?
Wala na. Dito dapat.
Oh, hindi ito yung ano, crocodile oh.
Alligator.
So, hindi ito yan somewhere.
Pero natutulog.
Sa ilalim ng tubig.
Ayan. Ay, wala. Ayun. Hindi. Puno yan. Ano? Ano ba yan?
Ano yan? Parang ayun oh, malaki sa ano, bubong. Ayun ang reptile na yan. Mahal. May mga ano?
Ayun yung ulo niya.
Saan? Ay, oo. Mata yun, no? Umano.
Oo, ano ba yun? Yung puso ang dami.
Halika, may ahas dito.
Alas.
Pasok tayo sa loob. Ano kung maroon dyan. Ano ba? May tanjure oh.
Ano?
Injury. Ayun na. Halika. Tingnan natin sa loob. Oo. Sa loob.
Nakatago.
Yeah, right there.
Sam, there's a whole pipe in the wall back there in front.
Ayun sa taas. Ano mga pangalan nila? Copperhead. King snake. Ito. Ito. Star mask. Si Elon Musk.
Hmm.
Ito si Elon Musk.
Tingnan mo, uminom ng tubig.
Eh, ano daw yung Easter Mask? Cute. Hindi na naman sila makita.
Tago ito.
Timber. Oh, ito pa yung rattlesnake. Ang taba ng katawan, ang liit ng ulo. Ayan pala yan, Kings of Cockroach. Kaya kulay brown siya ngayon.
Hmm.
Hammock. Rat snake.
Para ito.
Sarado. Pygmy rattlesnake. Saan siya? Wala din. Ayun.
Saan?
Hindi ba yan?
Ayun nga sa loob. Ayan o.
Ayun, meron pa sa isa doon.
Mhm.
Parang rabbit. Ayun, parang rabbit.
Saan?
Yung coil niya.
Oo. Dalawa sila.
Brian said he's waiting in the store for his turn.
Kumano ng isa rito. Ano na?
Ano yung ulo?
Umano na yun. pumunta na naman sa ibang.
Oo, yun. Hindi ba yung nasa may tubig na yun? Nandun sa may tubig na yun.
Yun.
Sa shop. Mahirap dito pag umuulan. Lahat ng masilungan. Ganda na preserve nila lahat dyan. Boardwalks. Beasley Park.
So mayroon pa isang laking ano dito dahil mayroon, di ba? Dahil tatlo yun. Sa dalawa tatlo. Ano kayang mayroon yan? Oh, ba't wala to? Ano? Mayroon kaya yan?
Kakain na naman.
Dinala sa ano? Dinala sa ilabang lugar?
Ayun, ang deer.
Ano? Pupo. Ito yung river Malpak. Part ng river ito. Dapat nandito yata ang mga amaniti pag pumunta doon sa bridge.
Ayun, meron yata silang tinitingnan.
Ha?
Meron yata silang tinitingnan. Tama mo, ay, kala ko totoo. Sabi ko ang baba na.
Ano ba yung may kayo?
Yata, sasabi.
Hines was a tagged manatee. She was up for release a couple years ago. It's been 6-7 years ago. And she was tagged for release, but didn't do very well. She wasn't eating really well. Her buoyancy, being able to go up and down in the water, wasn't doing the best. So we decided to go ahead and bring her back here.
Giant.
She's named Hines is because it's actually after the ketchup, Heinz 57, is her tag number.
Ayun, no?
That's where Heinz comes from. We also have Betsy. Betsy's kind of our bossy matriarch of the three.
Feeding.
She was also deemed non-release all. She's in her, she'll be 32 already. And then Ariel is our oldest. She's like the pseudo mama. And Ariel is 51 years of age. We're not quite sure how long manatees live. We haven't been keeping the best of records, right? It's been the last 70 years or so, 7 decades or so. We're thinking right around 50s to 60s in a facility. In the wild, it's going to be a lot less. Now, manatees are mammals. They breathe air just like us. They're warm-blooded, just like us. And manatees are actually most closely related to elephants.
What?
So there's a couple reasons why. Isn't that crazy? Crazy. You wouldn't think. Elephants in the water. Yes. So manatees
They don't look
are
like
most
elephants.
closely related to elephants. A couple reasons why too. So first one is that they have molars. They have molars all up and down here. Same as elephants. Manatees have molars. So those molars are like teeth. If you take your tongue and you go in the middle of your teeth, that's a molar, right? And manatees have that. And that's all they have is those molars. And those molars actually do a conveyor belt, like this. So as new ones come in, they push all the other teeth forward. As the teeth go forward, they drop out. Same as elephants. Elephants have the same setup.
Also sharks.
And,
Sharks also regrow their teeth.
and also, manatees, if you look at their flippers, it's called flippers on manatees. If you look at their flippers, if you see a manatee, they actually have toenails on them.
It's okay, you
Just
can
like
stand there and take it. That's okay, that man belongs to the family there.
Prehensile.
It's okay, you can stand right
Prehensile
there.
means
We're
it kind of
right
moves
here.
independently.
You can stand between
So
Jacob
you
and the
can
girl.
Sure.
I know, she's like, you're not.
For the lettuce like this, independent like this, kind of like an elephant's trunk. It's very, very short.
Are they yet?
I am feeding them restaurant quality, as you can see. Restaurant quality romaine.
Then we have some.
Manatees have to eat 10% of their body weight every single day. Wow. So we're looking at about 1,200 pounds per girl. So it's quite a bit of lettuce. These guys get fed 4 times a day. Wow. Now, why are they here? Why aren't they in another facility? Great thing about here is that not only are they in a natural spring environment, this is actually brackish water, so it's a combination of fresh and salt water. So it's a really good environment for them. They also interact with a lot of wild manatees through the fences, and a lot of other species of fish, turtles, things like that, birds. So it's really cool. Now what happens is these girls right now are secluded in this area, also through here, and in that pool behind you. That's because, I don't know if you guys read any of the information, but our fishbowl area, our underwater viewing, is under construction. I think I told you about that hurricane we had, right? So, that took that out. So we got a lot of water intrusion into that fishbowl, what we call the fishbowl. So we're redoing it all. So actually it's just about done. They just replaced the windows, so we're super excited about that. So hopefully that's gonna open up in the next couple of weeks. Hoping. So, because of that, typically the girls would have that area. Fishbowl, the underwater viewing is located directly across from here. So the girls would have all of that area. So it goes from 6 foot all the way down to 38 foot by the underwater viewing area. So since we didn't want the girls messing with construction equipment, and we didn't think the construction workers would get a lot done with the manatees going, oh, pay attention to us. We decided to keep the girls in this area for now. And once that construction is completed, we will go ahead and release them back to their, what I call their penthouse area. Penthouse.
Yeah, it is much bigger
Now,
than normal.
what happens what we do in the winter, when winter starts to come, so right about November, what we do is we still want to provide a area for wild manatees to seek refuge, because manatees that are warm-blooded, so they need a place to come in and stay warm. Our temperature here varies 68 to 76 degrees always, because we're a natural spring. So manatees come here to seek refuge. Because manatees are warm-blooded, they can't do that. They need to find warmer temperature of water. So we push these girls over here. We keep them in this area over the winter. And then we open the gates. There's a gate if you guys walk past the bridge over there, open that gate, that allows the wild manatees to come in here and have more room for refuge. Last year we had about 340 wild manatees at once. That came yeah, at once. We're like, oh, come on. We'll walk on them. It's like, ugh.
What's the best month to see them?
January, typically January, February is the best month.
What a
It gets cold. I mean, we got to 23 degrees Fahrenheit. But again, this water stays
That's a waste of
65 to 76 degrees.
No, it's not.
Yes, sir.
Well, what is the main breeding month for manatees?
What is what?
What's the main breeding month?
They actually don't have a breeding season. People say they have a breeding season, but they really don't have a particular one. You will see it kind of going up in scale around October, November, but there's really not a very specific one.
Well, what's
It
the biggest
depends
type
on-
of manatee?
It depends on food, depends on shelter, depends on all kinds of stuff. So even when the wild manatees come in here, we've seen babies that have just been born, and we've seen adolescents that are still nursing. If you go out into the wild and you see manatees, you might see a young calf, and it might be stuck underneath one of the flippers of the female. That's actually where it nurses, is up underneath its armpit, believe it or not.
Oh.
Do you try and feed the wild?
Never. No.
Yan ang boating, iikot sila.
Oh, pag kung mayroon sila along.
Kaso
boating.
baka may alligator,
Eh,
may sumulpot.
kasama din sa binabayaran mo pag may alligator dyan na umano.
Yung risk.
Ha?
Yung risk.
Kaya nga. So, yung thrilling na lumangoy ka, nandyan ang alligator, kasama niya sa bayad mo.
Kaya nga yung pinipresent ng kaninang vlogger
Hmm.
na mga ano,
Anong sabi niya?
yung mga kayaking nila.
Hmm.
Eh, yun nga, mga magaganda clear spring. Mga spring water.
Hmm.
Pero sabi ko nga ano, ayun no, nakaharap.
Alin?
Ayun, deer.
Ayun.
Hi. Ang dami pala ayun pa sa ulit. Hi. Ayun pa oh. Ang kaya yun. Hi.
Hi.
Wala si ano? Sino?
Ha?
Wala si Lulu.
Dapat ganyan yan kung nandyan siya. Baka mayroong siyang doctor's appointment na yan. Ano man dapat dito? Crocodile?
Siguro.
Ito yung maliit na picnic area. Oh, nauubo yung deer.
Maliit din lang pala, no?
Oo, yan lang. Ang ganun lang.
Eh,
Oh.
asan yung ano? Hi! Uy, yate.
Mm.
Patay wala na isip.
Ha?
Ayaw mo lang
La-
maisip.
Lalapit ito sa ano ko.
Ha?
Ngayon ko lang nakablot.
Siguro ilan kaya? alligators.
Yung ilan lang. Balik na tayo doon, Marka.
Mabuti walang lamok. Ano?
Tuwid pa.
Ha?
Tuwid ka pa.
Walang lamok. Lamok.
Pagka dapit hapon, malabas na yung mga lamok. Di ba?
Tuwa nga ako doon sa baby eh. Meron siyang kulambo.
Saan?
Yung kanina doon sa stroller niya.
Ah, oo. Para hindi kagatin ng lamok.
Nakakulambo. Ayan, mabuti. Saan tinitingnan nila? Wala naman.
Wala yan.
Ayun. Ay, siya lang ang active.
Hello. Saan? Yan.
Parang laruan mo.
Thank you, God. Ayun. Ayun nga. Ha?
Wala siyang panty.
Kali. Kanina ganyan.
Daw siya, wala siyang panty. Baka
Lumipat.
doon.
Lumipat na sa mga. Ayun.
Isa? Nakalungan din naman nila. Ibon lang.
Sila yung mga shoebird. Sabi? Ha?
Ayun, blue here. Here.
Ha? Nasaan? Tara, gamit. Oh, tara, gamit tayo para uwiin tayo. Kanina pa yung ibon na yan, di ba? Bakit?
Hindi na lang sila ba? Ay, ito na yung isa oh.
Lumabas na. Hello, Birdie.
Hindi naman sila ano pa ano.
How are you, Birdie?
Hindi naman sila ano.
Hmm.
Iisa pa ah.
Nagtago yung kabilang paa niya.
Ayun na nakaapay. Nakatago yung isa.
Tinaas niya.
Ito
Ayun, lumipad. Oh.
ay nabis na.
Sabi, ano eh. Isang paa lang kaya lumipad.
Ayan na talaga tinataas na ng paa nila.
Hmm.
Ayan na. Ba't kaya? Ito na.
Pahinga yan. Relax. Ano ba yun? Ba't gumagano? Ah, yun yung
Tulog.
bear. Baka music ng bear yun. Ha?
Ano na yun? Lalabay. Ito ang pangka, do double. Ay, ano. Pula na yan. Basta wala na. Sign up. Sign up.
Yeah. That's it for today.
Maybe.
See you next time. Bye for now.